This video will show how to install CodeBlocks on the Windows computer. Open your browser and visit the website codeblocks.org. There you can download the binaries for CodeBlocks. So we download it for Windows. The Linux version is also okay. The Mac OS X version is not so good. Okay, we should take care that we select the version with MinGW, which includes the compiler. So that is this version. So we can download it, for example, from this site. So the download starts. Okay, so when it is ready, we open it. And then we will install CodeBlocks. You can just install all plugins, all tools. And you can use the default destination folder. Of course, you can change it if you want, but we chose the default destination folder. And then the installation is done. It will take a while. So now everything has been installed. So we will click no in this case. Of course, you can also directly start CodeBlocks, but we will first finish this installation. So now we have here an icon for starting CodeBlocks, and we can open CodeBlocks this way. So here we have the window for CodeBlocks. So now we are ready to start using CodeBlocks.